Across Fresno County, education makes an impact. Learning inspires students, dedicated teachers ensure success, and these stories strengthen our communities. Watch Education Matters, Mondays at 6:30 on KC24. Local news that matters. Brought to you by EECU, Chevron, and Fresno Pacific University.
The Family Wellness and Resource Center at Addams Elementary in Southwest Fresno is a busy place that families in the neighborhood seek out.
A lot of parents, we needed the help to find resources, and we come here to get out anything we need.
School officials established the Resource Center as part of its Community Schools initiative. It's a way to better meet the needs of its families, providing everything from food, clothing, and household items.
We're a homeschool to a lot of students that are housed on Parkway Drive, and then we also are home to a lot of the students that live in the surrounding mobile homes. So a lot of the needs based on like seasonal work that our parents hold were generally basic needs.
The Resource Center is one of the community projects supported by the Office of the Fresno County Superintendent of Schools Board of Trustees.
Our board projects are our extension to the community, and we are so happy that we're able to continue to provide this to our community.
Board members have been providing financial support to community groups for over 20 years. It's not a large amount of money, but the funding helps.
Sometimes seed money to further a project along or to start an organization in serving our community.
Sometimes it's part of a partnership. Board members joined in with other organizations in the restoration of the Martin Luther King Jr. bust at Courthouse Park.
And we wanted to make it ADA accessible, and the board was able to support that with a monetary donation to make that area ADA accessible and to do restoration on the bust within Courthouse Park.
Board members say each project they support brings them joy and provides an opportunity to connect with the community they serve.
They're all good. They really are all good, and they all have their value. And it all has to do with the benefit of children.
For Education Matters, I'm Juanita Stevenson, KC24, local news that matters.